In today's video, I'll show you how to add buffer time in Calendly step by step. Buffer time is useful if you want gaps between meetings, so you can prepare, take notes, rest, or avoid back-to-back scheduling. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Event Type section from the left-hand menu. Now select the event type where you want to add buffer time, such as a consultation or meeting. Click on Edit to open the event settings. Next, scroll down until you find the When can this event be booked or Additional Rules section. Here you will see the option for buffer time. You can set buffer time before the event, after the event, or both. For example, you can add 10 to 15 minutes before each meeting to prepare and 10 to 15 minutes after each meeting to reset or take notes. After entering your desired buffer time, save your changes. Now, Calendly will automatically block those extra minutes around each appointment, preventing clients from booking back-to-back meetings. If you use multiple event types, repeat the same process for each one to keep your schedule consistent. Before finishing, test your booking link to confirm that the buffer time is correctly blocking adjacent time slots. And that's it. You've successfully added buffer time in Calendly and improved your scheduling workflow for better time management. And that's how you add buffer time in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.